Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I am joined by my very special guest, Jameya. So as you can see, we are not in the typical Sister Girl Tuesday studios. Jameya has welcomed myself and you, the audience, into her beautiful home. And today she is going to be sharing a recipe for this amazing lasagna, and we got some sides to go with it. It's a full meal recipe. So I'm just going to let Jameya tell us some of her favorite things about what we made today.
Well, it's basically a family recipe. I learned basically how to make this recipe in college. You know, when you ain't got no money, you just put something together. Call my mama how to make a lasagna. She helped me out. So I kind of put my own little twist on it. I think mine's the best out of all the family, out of my sisters, my mom. But I used to make it. Janine would come over, make for her, make for some of my classmates, and it was just great success. And I just love making it, put a little love in it. Mine's a little different, so don't judge me what ingredients I put inside, but it's really good and it's really cheap and affordable, $10, that's it.
Yes, so if you want to see Jameya's family recipe, college recipe, loving lasagna recipe, just stay tuned. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Okay, for our lasagna, we're going to start by making the sides. So we're making a cucumber, broccoli, tomato salad. So you'll start by just quartering some sliced cucumber. We used in total 1 whole cucumber. And next you can take broccoli that's either frozen broccoli or some fresh florets, and to it you'll add some cherry tomatoes and then your sliced cucumber. After you give everything a good mix, we will season with an entire bottle of some Italian salad dressing. And again, mix everything very well before adding a covering of either aluminum foil, parchment paper, saran wrap, whatever you like, and put this in your refrigerator to chill while we're making the lasagna. So we're going to start boiling some water for our pasta noodles, and Jameya likes to salt her water beforehand. And then we're going to be using a total of 9 sheets of pasta. I don't know if that's the proper word, but 9 sheets of pasta. We are going to put about a quarter to a half of a diced white onion into some vegetable oil to start sauteing. And then it's got some Italian seasoning that's going on top. So once our onions are translucent, we're going to add some Morningstar crumbles to it. And now we can season with a little bit of onion powder, followed by a little bit of garlic powder, some black pepper. Give that a good mix. Now here's 1 of 2 of Jameya's secret seasonings. We've got some Goya Sazon. And now we're going to go ahead and add in the marinara sauce. And here is the second secret ingredient, a 1/4 cup of some granulated white sugar. Moving on to our assembly. So we're going to put down a little bit of sauce and some sour cream to just kind of make a base, something for your noodles to stick to. So we're going to go ahead and put down 3 layers of pasta and then 3 spoonfuls of the marinara and 1 to 2 spoonfuls of the sour cream. Now this is a step that you can consolidate by adding the sour cream to your marinara mix. That is completely up to you. But once you've got that spread in there, you'll go ahead and add a layer of cheese and then repeat until all of your ingredients are gone. And you want to make sure that you put a nice healthy layer of cheese on top. And so this will go in your oven that has been preheating at 350 degrees. And it will bake in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes until you've got a nice golden brown top. And this is the final product once it was out and served. You guys, you have got to try Jameya's loving lasagna. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section below.